1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's find out what we get. What we get. Wow, what is this? And what is the color of this dog?
Yellow.
And where you can fit this? Right. Let's find out what we get. What we get? Heart. What is the color of heart? Where you can put this? Very good. What we get next? Let's find out. What is this? What is this? Duck. What is the color of duck?
Blue.
Blue. And where you can put this? Very okay. Now what we get next? What is this? Hexagon. What is the color of hexagon?
Green.
Green. Okay, where we can put this? Right. What we get next? What is this? Plus. And what is the color of plus?
Red.
Red. And where we can put this? Here. Right. What we get next? What is this? What is this?
Cow.
What is the color of cow?
Without
Orange. And where you can put this? Very good. What we get next? Sheep. And what is the color of sheep?
pink.
Pink. And where you can put this?
Pink color.
Here. Very good. What you get next? Flower. What is the color of flower? What is the color of flower? Yellow. Yellow. And where you can put this? Where you can put this? What we get next? What is this? Hen. What is the color of hen?
Red.
Red. And where we can put this? Very good. Now what we get next? What is this?
A ball.
Frog. What is the color of frog? green shape. Thank you. Bye bye.